Hi, my name's Mark from Feetology Podiatry Centre here at Victoria Point. Today I want to talk to you about shoes and how do you know when your shoes are worn out. And look, do hang right through to the end of the video because I've got some tests there that you can be doing at home so you know whether your shoes are worn out or not. But why is it important? Okay, it's springtime. We're starting to get out and doing a little bit more exercise. We're coming out of our winter hibernation. So we just go and grab our shoes from the cupboard and go and do our exercise without a second thought about them and how they might be impacting on our feet. But as a podiatrist, I know that the majority of the problems that we have come into the clinic, footwear is a large contributing factor to what's going on there. So I want to cover with you today why it's really important to be checking on your shoes, okay, so that you know that they're right for the season ahead. And poor shoes, you know, if your shoes are worn, what they're going to do, they're going to be causing your feet to lean in or lean out, or being an unstable platform that's going to affect you when you're standing, when you're walking and when you're running, and can really cause your muscles to be overused and run into issues, okay, and causing pain and discomfort. The other thing too is that shoes that are wearing out can become less protective as well, and they can cause blisters and corns and skin irritations and things like that as well. But when you've got the perfect pair of shoes, okay, you're going to be able to get out there, you're going to be able to exercise for longer, you're going to be able to enjoy it more, okay, and you're going to get fit and healthier as a result of having the right shoes underneath your feet. Now I've got 3 tests I'm going to show you, so hang with me and I'll just cut to those now. So the first test we're going to cover is the wobble test. So I've got quite an old pair of shoes here. All you're doing is putting it on a flat surface and you're just seeing how wobbly it is, and you can try it with this particular pair of shoes. I can feel that it's really wobbly through the forefoot. They're really worn out through that area and it's become quite rounded, so that's going to be a very unstable shoe to wear. This shoe is quite a bit newer, it hasn't done many Ks at all, and it's a lot more stable. You can see there's a tiny little fraction of a wobble there, but it's much more stable through the forefoot and it's not wobbling around as much. So the second test we're looking at is what we call the lean test, okay? So this is where we're looking at the heel counter from behind as we've got you set up here. Now I don't tend to wear my shoes too much one way or the other. If anything, this shoe has a little bit of a lean to the outside, which some people will do, and they'll break down the outside shoe. The second one we're looking for is people can quite often lean to the inside of the shoe, so they've compressed down the inside and it's leaning over that way. That's a sign that, you know, if we're getting excessive lean one way or the other, that the shoes need replacing. The third test I want to cover is the wear on the shoe, okay? And as you saw with my guy when I was showing the test earlier, I have certainly worn my shoes out through the forefoot area. You can see I've worn through the rubber there, and they're worn out for other people. They may do that through the heel. A really common spot is on the back of the heel here. We can get people that have a lot of heavy wear there. Other things we can be looking for too is I've actually worn a bit of a hole through the upper, just on the side here. That could become a pressure point, but quite often people will do that on the inside of the heel here as well, and the material can bunch up and potentially cause blisters in around the heel. And also just any holes in the upper. Anything along those lines is an indicator that your shoes are worn out and it's time to get a new pair. Okay, now I've shown you those tests, I just want to let you know if you're having any problems with your feet at all, okay, and be that you know, what you think is footwear related, or if you're getting any aches and pains or any issues like that, you don't know what shoes to buy, we are here to help you, okay? So you can always get in touch with us. By all means, send us a message here through Facebook. We're happy to respond and happy to have a chat to you that way, or you can always call us at the clinic and make an appointment and come in and see one of our podiatrists. Okay, until next time, thank you.